In this video, we will show you how to complete a DBT diary card as a client, seeing what a patient would see when they complete their card. Make sure you're on the Users tab in the dashboard after logging in with your credentials. Select the arrow next to the client that you want to view to impersonate their account. You will see on the top left corner that you will have a user view in a blue bar that has the user ID of the person you are currently being. From there, you will be able to see anything that this client would be able to see. From there, all you have to do is navigate to the Assess tab, and from there, select DBT Diary Card and begin the survey. And now you will be completing the DBT Diary Card as a participant.